Allah calls the Quran a shifa, a healing for what is in the hearts. He says, we send down in the Quran that which is a healing and a mercy for the believers. If your heart is broken, turn to the Quran, recite it, reflect on it, and let its words soothe your soul. If you want Allah to fix your life, start now. He may not make all your problems disappear, but He will strengthen your heart. You will feel such a deep connection with Him that nothing will shake you anymore. The worries, the stress, the sadness, they won't control you the way they once did, because you will know with certainty Allah is with you. My dear brothers and sisters, whatever has broken you, Allah can fix you. If you lost someone, Allah can fill your heart with peace. If you feel betrayed, Allah can restore your trust. If you feel hopeless, Allah can light your path. The key is to hold on to Him, pray, be patient, trust His plan. Because the one who split the sea for Musa alayhi salam, the one who brought Yūnus alayhi salam out of the belly of the whale, and the one who healed the heart of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam after the loss of his loved ones, that same Allah is with you today.